Hey guys, hope all is well. Welcome back. Well, of course in the title it says unboxing, but I guess it can't be an unboxing no more because I technically already opened it. I opened it because I wasn't really planning on doing a video on me unboxing a simple thing as a key chain, sort of. So I just end up opening it just to, you know, check out the whole product itself. So this is the box it comes in. Of course it comes in a Louis Vuitton box. What I like about Louis Vuitton box nowadays, that they're sending it in these boxes where no one can know that it's coming from Louis Vuitton. A lot of luxury places are starting to do that, and I like that. You know, it's very secretive. I'll show you. The only way you'll know it's from Louis Vuitton is if you like rip it off, and of course this part says Louis Vuitton. But yeah, it comes in a simple box just like this. Now I'm able to show this box because it's more smaller, unlike my other items that I have come in a bigger box. Like, it'll take over the whole video camera. So this is a perfect display to show y'all with the perfect size. It comes in a regular box just like this, and you rip right here, then you'll see the whole Louis Vuitton words, and there's your product. So here's my product because I'm doing it on the Louis Vuitton key holder, correct terms. So this is the box it comes in, and of course it's the receipt. How much did I pay for this key holder? It's been a minute. Is this the receipt for it? Oh, nah, this is another item. Yeah, this is another item, but it definitely does come with a receipt. I don't know where the hell the receipt is at. I took it apart. Like I told you, I already opened it. So yeah, I kind of ruined the video because I really wasn't planning on doing a video on a key holder, but people want to see it and I will show the people. All right, so yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton box. Pull that. I kind of retied it myself because, you know, I play around with it to learn how to retie it the way Louis Vuitton retie it. Little string right here. Just pull that open. Ooh, key holder, very lovely. Of course the dust bag. Yes, they even send a dust bag for the key holder. How cute. That is cute. That is cute. And here's the product. Nice small key holder. The product. Put that dust bag back. Which one was it? Because I know they have the 6 key holder. Okay, the 4. I'm like, which key holder did I order? It's been a minute. Okay, so this is the 4 key holder. Get a little closer. It's the 4 key holder. They also have the 6 behind it. I don't know if you can see, but if you kind of like bend this part a little, it's like a little small thing with the item number. The item number, and I don't know what the hell this is. It says Louis Vuitton. I was trying to read it. I'm like, what the hell is this? Okay, and this is in the back, so I'll put this back here. It smells good. It says leather, so is this not canvas like all the other rest? It smells like real leather. Let me find out. Louis Vuitton not only does canvas, but they also do leather on certain items. Let me find out, because I know most of their bags ain't leather. It's canvas. So who knows? Hey, let me find out Louis Vuitton is, you know, taking a different route in these things. So yeah, the reason why I got the 4 key holders because I needed something to hold my key, the car key, the house key. I got 2 keys for the house key, and of course the key. I can't put my job key. That's just an extra empty slot because my job key has a whole other issue. It's like a handful of key. My job key is like a janitor's key. So yeah, I'm not saying I'm a janitor, but there's so much keys because I work in like a facility. So that's another story for another day. So yeah, those are the only 3 keys I'm gonna be using for this key holder, but it's so cute. People who are a fan like Louis Vuitton, just like I am, they normally go for like nice cute things like this because it's so cute. You know, we like the brand, especially like for me, I like the monogram look. I love the monogram look. It's very classic. It's very old school because monogram look has been around for days. Nowadays they're trying to mix it up and put different color in the monogram look. They're trying to make it a little bigger. They're trying to, you know, a lot of bright color mixing it up, the checkerbox material. They're using that. I'm not really a fan of the checkerbox material. Some of the plain looks I like, you know, some like the plain Louis Vuitton bag, that's fine too. So if I'm like personally getting a bag from Louis Vuitton, or even an item, because I also got purses and stuff there, I always go for the monogram look. I just like the monogram look. It's simple. It's also easier to resell for some people that wants to like resell their product. The monogram look is the best. I feel like the checkerbox look, it was popping like what, 6 years ago when the Speedy came out. When the Speedy came out, the Speedy 25 and the Speedy 30, that's when the checkerbox look, I feel more ladies started to like the checkerbox look. But nowadays the checkerbox look is kind of fading away. Some people really do like it, but a lot of people that's into class, they go for the classier look. They go for like the original monogram type look. So the monogram, oh sorry, that's my chair, the monogram will kind of sort of always win, you know. It will always win because it always come back. I won't say it will fade away, it will just be there. Most people don't get monogram looks because they want something different. That's fine. For the people that like something different, like, you know, kudos to you. But I am plain, boring, same classy, same style, same routine, same boring monogram look. And like I said, I feel like it's easy to sell because most people will look for this when they, you know, think of Louis Vuitton. I know some people will be like, oh, it's a status symbol, or no, it's just the look. It's the original classic monogram look. That's it. People like the original things, you know. That's it. Even with the Chanel bags, the original type Chanel bag, which is most popular, is the, what's it called, the boy bag looking one. Looks like the boy flap. Got the name of it. Those are the most popular ones. Those are the ones that people will mainly go for. Classic always rule. It rules, right? Simple as that. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be using this right away. I'm not even gonna put it back in the box, but I play with this box a lot to see how they tie it. I'll show you guys a little video, probably in another video, on how they, you know, they tie the Louis Vuitton boxes, or even like the Chanel boxes, or other, you know, luxury brand. I'll show you guys a video on how they do it if you want to know. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna use this right away. I'm about to pop this in my bag, the box, probably put it somewhere behind me, and that is my video. So thanks for watching. I hope I catch you guys in the next one. And let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like the key holder with the 6, or do you guys like it with the 4? I like it with the 4 because I really mainly use 3 keys. And my car, it's like, it used kind of like that olive shape key fob. My car is the keyless car, so I'll just put that right there and call it a day. So only really 2 keys I really use. It's keyless. Nowadays they might even have like, well, they probably have that already. Keyless door, the front door house, like it's keyless. All you gotta do is type something in, and you know, the doors, they probably have it already. Who knows? Anyways, let me not get off topics. So yeah, let me know, guys. You got let me know what do I'm getting a tongue tie. Let me know which key holder would you guys pick. Would you guys pick the 4, or would you guys pick the 6? Oh, by the way, I only end up picking the 4 because it's what they had available. They didn't even have this one. They didn't have the 4 to 6. But you know, once you hit the alert for if you want an item, Louis Vuitton will let you know, like, boom, the item's available, or you ready to order. Sometimes also the items be on back order, where you could probably pay for it and it'll finally arrive. Okay, like in a situation like what I had to deal with. So like I said, some people could still be a back order on the 4, or some people will still pick the 6 as a back order. So which one would you like, the 4 or the 6? Let me know. All right, in the comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, I'm gonna be posting videos every Wednesday. Yes, I'm back. I'm gonna be very persistent with this video, and I'm gonna be posting today. I got time. All right, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, bye.